So this is an interesting little bird. I found this bird on my porch. It was flying into the window, apparently disoriented by the light inside the kitchen and the darkness outside. It couldn't seem to find its way off of the patio. It just kept flying into the window. It makes funny little noises, little clicking noises to try to scare me, probably. Anyway, interesting little bird. Not sure what kind it is. Maybe some kind of a swallow or something. Anyway, I'm gonna go let it out in the front where there's some light so it can hopefully figure out its way to fly away, because in the backyard it couldn't figure out how to get out of there. It just kept flying into the same trap over and over. There it goes.